I got it another thing.
Eli, don't push Charlie with your body.
I'm locking myself because I robbed baby.
You're locking yourself up?
Because I robbed a bank on pretend. Actually, really? Well, you guys weren't.
Jordan! Oh shit, my thing. Hello. Jordan, go get the camera from your dad right now. Get the camera from your dad right now.
Watch this. Look at
Hurry
this.
up. Turn it off! Bro, Jordan, I'm gonna mess up my nails if I have to run from you.
Keep talking. Your voice sounds awesome. Do you know who Heath Ledger is?
Yeah.
Have you ever seen The Dark Knight? Do you remember his character, the Joker?
Thanks.
Oh, don't do that. Oh, don't laugh that loud. Oh my gosh, I gotta do like a side-by-side comparison.
Here you go.
Oh my gosh. Have you ever seen The Mask with Jim Carrey? Have you ever seen that movie?